Hello there, lad. I'm so glad you've joined me today. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast or just a little curious, you're in the right place. Let's have a friendly chat about something that's both simple and magical: natural makeup. Today, we're diving into the world of natural makeup, a style that's all about enhancing what you already have, rather than covering it up. It's a gentle approach, using just a touch of color and a hint of glow to bring out your best features. You see, natural makeup isn't about painting on a whole new face. It's about giving your own a little polish, a bit of extra sparkle, so you feel like the best version of yourself. The goal is simple: to look like yourself, only a bit brighter, fresher, and more awake. Imagine waking up on your best day ever. That's the vibe we're after. So why do so many people adore the no makeup look? Well, it's not just a trend. It's a way to feel comfortable and confident in your own skin. It's wonderfully simple. There's no fuss, no heavy layers, and no need to worry about smudges or touch-ups all day long. It feels light and easy, like slipping into your favorite cozy jumper. With natural makeup, you don't feel like you're wearing a mask. Instead, you feel like a more confident, put-together version of yourself, ready to take on whatever the day brings. It's perfect for all sorts of occasions, whether you're heading to work, meeting friends for a coffee, or just popping out to the shops. You'll look fresh and approachable, never overdone. This look says, "Here I am," but in a friendly, quiet way. It's about being present and comfortable, not shouting for attention. And the best part? Natural makeup is for everyone. No matter your age, your style, or your experience with makeup, you can make this look your own. It's all about celebrating your unique features, your freckles, your smile, your sparkling eyes. Natural makeup doesn't hide these things, it helps them shine. Think of it like framing a beautiful picture. The frame doesn't cover the art, it simply helps it stand out and draws your eye to what's special. When you let your natural beauty shine through, it's truly marvelous. There's a special kind of glow that comes from feeling comfortable in your own skin. And don't worry, it's not tricky at all. You don't need to be a makeup artist or have a drawer full of fancy products. All you need are a few simple tools and a couple of products you love. Sometimes less really is more. We'll go through the steps together, just like building one of my inventions. One piece at a time, nice and easy. I'll show you how to choose the right shades, how to blend, and how to keep things looking soft and natural. The key is to practice, have fun, and not take it too seriously. Makeup should be a joyful part of your routine, not a chore. With a bit of play and patience, you'll soon master this happy, simple look. So, are you ready for our little adventure into the world of natural makeup? Splendid. Let's get cracking and discover how easy and delightful it can be to let your natural beauty shine every single day. Before we dive into the world of color and creativity, let's take a moment to focus on the most important part of your makeup routine: prepping your beautiful face. Think of your skin as a canvas. The smoother and healthier it is, the better your makeup will look and last. So let's give your skin the love it deserves before we get started. Begin by washing your face with a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. This step removes any dirt, oil, or leftover makeup from earlier, giving you a fresh start. After rinsing, pat your face dry with a soft towel. Remember, no rubbing. Being gentle helps prevent irritation and keeps your skin happy. Clean skin is the secret to making everything else go on smoothly, from foundation to blush. It's like starting with a blank, smooth sheet of paper before you draw. Next, it's time to moisturize. Take a small amount of your favorite moisturizer and dot it onto your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. This helps your skin stay hydrated and creates a soft, supple base for makeup. Gently massage the moisturizer into your skin using upward, circular motions. This not only helps the product absorb better, but also gives your face a little boost, making you feel refreshed and awake. Moisturizer is a must for everyone, whether your skin is dry, oily, or somewhere in between. It helps makeup sit nicely and prevents it from looking patchy or cakey. If your skin tends to feel dry or tight, reach for a creamier, richer moisturizer. This will give your skin the extra nourishment it needs to stay comfortable all day. If you have oily or combination skin, a lightweight gel or lotion will hydrate without making you feel greasy. The right moisturizer makes a world of difference. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what feels best for your unique skin. Everyone's skin is different, so listen to what yours needs. Now let's talk about primer. Primer is like a magic step that smooths your skin's surface, blurs little imperfections, and helps your makeup last longer throughout the day. After your moisturizer has had a minute to sink in, squeeze out just a tiny bit of primer. about the size of a pea, is enough for your whole face. Gently apply the primer, focusing on areas where you have larger pores, fine lines, or where makeup tends to fade. It fills in those little lines and gives your makeup something to grip onto, so it stays put and looks fresh. Think of primer as the strong foundation that supports your entire look. Just like building a house, a good base makes everything else better and longer lasting. The whole prepping process only takes a few minutes, but it makes a huge difference in how your makeup looks and feels. It's a small investment of time for a big payoff. With your face now clean, moisturized, and primed, you've set yourself up for makeup success. Your skin is glowing, comfortable, and ready for whatever look you want to create. See? Prepping your skin is simple, quick, and your future self will thank you for it. Healthy skin is always in style. Now that your skin is prepped and happy, let's move on to making your complexion look smooth and even. Onward to the fun part, makeup. Now that our face is prepped and clean, we're ready to create a smooth, radiant canvas for the rest of our makeup. This step is all about enhancing your natural beauty, not hiding it. Think of it as giving your skin a little boost, so you look fresh and awake, but still like yourself. The first thing we want to do is even out your skin tone, gently blurring any redness or dullness while letting your real skin shine through. Instead of reaching for a heavy foundation, try a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream. These products are lighter, more forgiving, and perfect for a natural, everyday look. They hydrate your skin while providing just enough coverage to smooth things out. Tinted moisturizers and BB creams give your skin a fresh, dewy finish, making you look healthy and glowing. They're especially great if you want your freckles or natural texture to peek through. When choosing a shade, test it along your jawline in natural light. The right color should disappear into your skin, blending seamlessly so there are no obvious lines or mismatches. You can apply your base with clean fingers for a quick, natural finish, or use a damp sponge for a more airbrushed effect. A brush works too, especially if you want a bit more coverage. Choose whatever tool feels most comfortable for you. Start by dotting the product in the center of your face. Think forehead, nose, and chin, then gently blend outward. This technique helps you avoid a mask-like look and keeps the coverage where you need it most. Remember, a little goes a long way. Begin with a small amount of product. You can always add more if you want extra coverage in certain areas. The goal isn't to cover every single freckle or spot, but to create a more even, luminous complexion. Let your skin's natural beauty shine through. Pay special attention to blending along your jawline and hairline. This helps avoid any harsh lines or obvious makeup edges, so your skin looks flawless from every angle. When you're done, your skin should look like skin, just a bit smoother, brighter, and more even. You'll still see your natural features, but with a healthy, radiant boost. If you have any areas that need a little extra help, like a blemish or some redness, dab on a touch more product and blend it in gently. Build coverage only where you need it. Less is definitely more for this look. The idea is to enhance, not mask, your natural skin. This minimalist approach keeps your makeup looking fresh and comfortable all day. With a light, even base, you've set the perfect stage for the rest of your makeup. Your skin looks healthy, hydrated, and ready for the next steps. Now let's focus on any little spots or dark circles that might need a bit more attention. This is where we'll use a touch of concealer to brighten and perfect. Ready for the magic of concealer? Let's go and make those little imperfections disappear while keeping your skin looking natural and beautiful. Time for concealer, your magic wand. Use it only where needed, under eyes or on blemishes. For under eyes, pick a shade just lighter than your skin to brighten. For blemishes, match your skin exactly. Dot on a tiny amount, then gently tap to blend. Use your ring finger for a gentle touch. Build coverage in thin layers, never thick. The secret: use as little as possible for a natural finish. Concealer is about precision, not covering your whole face. Now let's shape those brows. Eyebrows frame your face. Let's tidy them up. Use a spoolie to brush brows upward and outward. This alone makes them look neater and fuller. Fill in sparse areas with a sharp pencil or powder, using light hair-like strokes. Tinted brow gels are great for adding color and hold. Choose a shade that matches your hair or is slightly lighter for a soft look. Avoid going too dark. Keep it subtle and natural. Remember, brows are sisters, not twins. Just aim for balance. A little definition makes you look more awake and polished. Don't overdo it. Less is more. This small step pulls your whole look together. Neat, natural brows make a big difference. Ready to make your eyes sparkle? Let's move on. Grab your eyeshadow brush. Here we go. Time to make your eyes stand out gently. Sweep a neutral eyeshadow, soft brown, taupe, or peach over your lids. Blend well for a soft, hazy effect, no harsh lines. Next, mascara. 1 or 2 coats on top lashes is plenty. Wiggle the wand at the base, then pull through to the tips. For fair hair, try brown mascara for a softer look. If you smudge, let it dry, then flick away with a cotton bud. No need for bold colors, just a touch of definition. Your eyes will look brighter and more awake. Simple, quick, and effective. Now, let's add a healthy flush to your cheeks. Let's bring life to your cheeks with a touch of blush. Cream blush is easy. Just tap onto the apples of your cheeks and blend upward. Start with a small amount. You can always add more. Choose a shade that mimics your natural flush. Fair skin, soft pinks or peaches. Medium rosy or apricot. Deep berry or terracotta. The goal is a soft, healthy glow, not bright circles. Blush makes your face look fresh and lively. A little goes a long way. Now let's finish with your lips. Last step, lips. Tinted lip balm is perfect, hydrates and adds a hint of color. For more color, try a sheer or satin lipstick. Dab on with your finger for a soft look. A clear or lightly tinted gloss works too, as long as it's not sticky. Keep it simple and comfortable. The goal, lips that look healthy and feel good. A touch of color ties your whole look together. And that's your natural makeup complete. If you make a mistake, don't worry, it happens to everyone. Too much blush? Buff it out with a clean brush or sponge. Mascara smudge? Let it dry, then flick it away. Carry blotting papers and lip balm for quick touch-ups. Makeup is for fun and self-expression, not hiding. The goal is to feel like the best version of yourself. Practice makes perfect. Soon you'll do this routine in minutes. Try different products and colors to find what you love. Enjoy the process and have a laugh if it goes wrong. Confidence is the best makeup of all. You've got this. Go out and shine.